Welcome back to my class in reflection part 2. In the previous class, we have completed a portion of this chapter, and in today's class, we will complete this chapter. So, today's first question is a point PAB. A point PAB is reflected in x-axis. To the point P dash, 2, comma minus 2. Write down the values of A and B. Now look, if P goes to P dash after reflection in x-axis, then P dash goes to P after reflection in x-axis. So simple. And you know the principle of reflection in x-axis. When some point is reflected in x-axis, then its abscissa remains fixed, but ordinate changes its sign. So coordinates of P will be abscissa remains fixed, that is 2, ordinate will be plus 3. So it is obvious that A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. Simple. Next question, next part, P double dash is the image of P when reflected in y-axis. P double dash is the image of P when reflected in y-axis. P goes to P double dash after reflection in y-axis. Write down the coordinates of P double dash. Now look, when 2, 3 is reflected in y-axis, reflection in y-axis means its ordinate remains fixed, abscissa will change its sign. So P double dash will be minus 2 comma 3. 2 becomes minus 2, 3 remains 3. So coordinates of P double dash will be minus 2 comma 3. Next they have asked, find the coordinates of P triple dash when P is reflected in the line parallel to y-axis, which is x equals to 4. P is reflected. Look, P 2 comma 3 when reflected in the line x equals to 4, then it goes to P triple dash. And they ask the coordinates of P triple dash. Now recall the formula. When PAB is reflected in the line x equals to h, then it goes to P dash minus a plus 2h comma b. So here h is 4, so this will go to minus 2 plus 2 into 4 comma 3. That is coordinates of P triple dash will be 2 4 is 8 minus 2 6 comma 3. So simple. Clear? You have to remember this formula always. Okay. Next question. Points A and B have coordinate 2, 5 and 0, 3. Find number 1 image A dash of A under reflection in x-axis. A. Point A has its coordinate 2, 5 and point B has its coordinate 0, 3. First one, image A dash of A under reflection in x-axis. When point A is reflected in x-axis, then it goes to A dash. Reflection in x-axis means abscissa remains fixed, ordinate changes its sign. So abscissa remains 2, ordinate will be minus 5. 5 becomes minus 5. Okay. Next, image B dash of B under reflection in the line A dash. Now, equation to A dash. What will be the equation? Look, x equals 2 remains fixed. So equation of A dash is x equals to 2. So you have to reflect B03 in the line x equals to 2. Recall the formula. When AB reflected in x equals to h, then it goes to minus a plus 2h comma b. So when 0 comma 3 is reflected in x equals to, then it goes to b dash. Minus 0 is same as 0 plus 2 into h is 2 comma 3. That is, here b dash will be 4 comma 3. Simple. Next question. Plot A 3, 2, B 5, 4 on graph paper. Now you have to do some activity. So you have to use graph paper, and you have to draw axis along the boulder lines. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is your origin. Now one bold line to another bold line, there will be 10 deletion. So this will be 10, then this will be 20, this will be 30, this will be 40. In this way, this will be minus 10, this will be minus 20, this will be minus 30, etc. Now this will be 10, this will be 20, this will be 30, this will be minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, etc. First, you are asked to plot the point A 3, 2. 3, 2. Suppose here is the point A. Next, B 5, 4. B 5, 4. Here will be the point B. AB. Let us take a bigger scale, otherwise it will not be understandable here. We take 10 small division equals to 1 unit along both axes. Okay. Then 2, 3 and 5, 4. Now 3, 2, 5, 4. 3, 2 will be here. 5, 4. This is 5, 4 will be here. This is A, this is B. Reflect A and B in x-axis to A dash B dash. A goes to A dash. Obviously its coordinate will be, as A's coordinate is 3, 2. So after reflection, coordinates of A dash will be 3, minus 2. B's coordinate is 5, 4. So after reflection in x-axis, it will go to B dash, and its coordinate will be 5, minus 4. Write down the geometrical name of AB, B dash, A dash. Obviously this will be an isosceles trapezium, because these two sides are parallel, these two sides are equal, so this will be an isosceles trapezium. Next, the axis of symmetry of AB, B dash, A dash. Look, the symmetry, line of symmetry is x-axis here, because the upper part is reflected to the lower part is reflected to the upper part. So line of symmetry is x-axis here. Measure of angle AB, B dash. You have to measure this angle, and you will find this will be 45 degrees. as isosceles trapezium, this angle will be 45 degree. You can find in this way also. Axis of this point is 3, axis of point is 5. So this distance is 2 units. Ordinate of this point is 2, ordinate of this point is 4. So this distance is 2 units. So this is an isosceles right angle triangle. So this angle must be 45 degree. The image of A double dash of A double dash of A, this is the point A, when A is reflected in the origin. When reflected in the origin, the point will be here and its coordinate will be minus 3, minus 2, because you know when point AB is reflected in the origin, then it goes to minus A, minus B. So 3, 2 goes to minus 3, minus 2. But these are all the questions. Very simple, very simple. Plot the points this on the graph sheet, taking this along both axes, reflect this. Draw the coordinate axis in your graph sheet. Draw the axis along the bold lines. Here the scale is given to be 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So in your graph sheet you have to take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Now in my blackboard here I am taking convenient length as 1 unit. Say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now you are asked to plot the points. First origin already plotted 0, 0. Next A minus 4, comma 4, minus 4, comma 4. Here will be your point A, whose coordinate is minus 4, comma 4. Next B minus 3, comma 0. Here is your point B minus 3, comma 0. C 0, comma minus 3. 0, comma minus 3 will be here. C 0, comma minus 3. OABC. Okay. Then reflect points A and B in y-axis. Reflect this in y-axis. You will get the point 4, comma 4. 4, comma 4. Say this is A dash. Its coordinate will be 4, comma 4. Because after reflection, ordinate remains fixed. Axis are change its sign. A dash 4, comma 4. B. B will go to this point. Say this is B dash. This will be 3, comma 0. Ordinate is 0, remains fixed. Axis was minus 3, which will become plus 3 after reflection in y-axis. Name them individually and write down the coordinates. This is 3, comma 0. Okay. Name the figure OA, BC, B dash, A dash. O00, A was minus 44, B was minus 30, C was 0, C was 0 minus 3, reflect A and B in y-axis. After reflection this goes to 4, 4, B goes to 3, 0. OA, BC, A dash, B dash. OA, BC, A dash, B dash. OA, BC, then go to A dash. Dash A dash. O A B C B dash A dash. There will be some mistake in data. You have to confirm it from textbook. Next question. A is 03, B 3 minus 2, O 0 are the vertices of triangle ABO. Plot triangle ABO on graph paper. Plot B, the reflection of B in y-axis. Write its coordinate. Give geometrical name of the figure ABOD. Write the equation of the line of symmetry. Draw the coordinate axis first. A 0, 3. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. First point is A03. 03. This will be your point A, 03. Next B is 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. The point B will be here. 3 minus 2. And origin O is here, 0, 0. What is the triangle ABO? So complete the triangle ABO. This is your triangle ABO. A is here 0, 3. Plot B, the reflection of B in y-axis. Reflect B in y-axis. So you will get the image at the point minus 3, minus 2. This is B dash minus 3, minus 2. no, B dash no, D, this is D. They have named it D. Give the geometrical name of the figure ABOD. Kite, you may call it kite or you may call it arrow. So what is this line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is y-axis. Its line of symmetry is y-axis because the figure is symmetry with respect to y-axis. And write the equation of line of symmetry. So y-axis, its equation is x equals 0. The equation to line of symmetry is x equals 0. Now look, first they have asked to plot the triangle ABO. We have plotted the triangle. Then they asked to plot the point D, which is the image of B after reflection in y-axis. We plot D. Then they asked to name the geometrical figure ABOD. This is arrowhead, and the line of symmetry is y-axis and its equation x equals 0. We have answered all the questions. Next question, the point P3, 4 is reflected to P dash in x-axis and O dash is the image of O when reflected in the line PP dash. Give this. Initial point P is 3, 4 is reflected to P dash in the after reflection in x-axis. After reflection in x-axis, this goes to P dash. So its coordinate will be x-axis, that is its abscissa remains fixed, coordinate will be changed. 3, 4 will go to 3 minus 4. And O dash is the image of O when reflected in the line PP dash. Now equation to PP dash, equation of PP dash is x equals to 3 because in both the points abscissa remains fixed 3, so its equation will be x equals to 3. So now you have to reflect O in the line PP dash. O is 0, 0. This after reflection in PP dash, that is x equals to 3, it will go to minus 0 plus 2 into 3, 0. Recall the formula. When AB is reflected in x equals to h, it goes to minus a plus 2h, b. So this will be the image. Image will be 6, 0. This will be your O dash. O dash is 6, 0. Length of segments PP dash and O dash. Now look, length of PP dash. Just recall the diagram. Here it is P is 3, 4. This is reflected to P dash at 3, minus 4. Obviously PP dash will be 8 units. Upper length is 4 and lower length is 4. 3 minus 4. So length of PP dash is 8 units. Next, O dash. Length of O dash is point O is 0, 0 and O dash is 6, 0. So length is 6 units. The perimeter of the quadrilateral PO P dash O dash. Here it was O dash. P O P dash O dash. We are asked to find this perimeter. Now look, OP will be OP dash. OP will be equal to OP dash. Next, this is 6 comma 0. So this distance is 3, this is 4. Look, all the sides will be of length 5 units. So first find OP. OP is the root over of 3 square plus 4 square unit. That is 5 units. This equals to OP dash equals to P dash O dash equals to O dash P. So each side is of length 5 units, so its perimeter will be 20 units. And name the geometrical figure. It will be rhombus, because a parallelogram having adjacent sides equal is defined as a rhombus. So we have completed our chapter here. Hope you all do the rest of the problems from your textbook. Thank you.